We've worked too hard, survived too much adversity. This should be our best.
Welcome inside TD Garden here in Boston for tonight's matchup. It's the Florida Panthers and the Boston Bruins. Game 5. The Bruins holding a 3-1 lead in this first round.
Boys, hey, here we go. Oh, biggest game of the year here. Let's go here.
Bertuzzi's got it. Gave it away in front for Hagee all alone. Pulls Omar down. Duclair scores! The Duke bats it home. And the Panthers get the first goal of the game.
Out of the far corner, the puck squirts through the circle. Panthers keep it out front. Bennett a shot, he scores! Sam Bennett out of the slot! He's able to cash in, and the Panthers take a 2-1 lead.
Barkov, Kachuk, in front of Reinhart, score! He roofed it! Sam Reinhart! Look out, the race is on! 2 seconds, 1! And Bobrovsky to save at the buzzer! Oh, Big Bob sends us to overtime!
Wasn't much really needed to be said. We knew someone was going to be the hero in here, and you know, Chucky was the end for us.
So it comes all the way down. Olmark will handle it. Gave it away to Verhaeghe. Set out in front. And they score! Matthew Tkachuk. Let's go home, baby! And we'll see you Friday night for Game 6.